Do, 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 do. But do be do. So in today's video tutorial, we're going to teach you Nice to Know You by Incubus in acoustic version. So first, what we're going to do is to drop D, set our tone our guitar to drop D. If you don't know what is a drop D, you're going to adjust the 6th string so that it will sound. You're going to press this 7th fret and the 6th string. It should sound like the 5th string, the A string, so that it will sound like this. So if not drop D, G is supposed to be like this, but when it's drop D, it's now like this. And the reason why it's drop D in Nice to Know You is because you'll need a lower tone on the sixth string so that you can do like this. Like that. You see what I did here? Like that. And then, as of all Incubus chords, this will not be. This will not be absent. This kind of chord. So it's going to be like. Better than watching color bending seven spoon. Better than witnessing your bone, you will never know. She'll see it from up high, smiles and surely sing. Affected prize and watch shady eyes, and then it gives you wings. See, it will never be absent in Pardon Me, is it Stellar, and oh, what else? Talk Show and Mute. I Wish You Were Here. This is the signature Incubus chords. So, I feel today. Just follow what I that I taught
That
you.
pencil is for adults.
Like that, right? You will follow the path ba? Daddy looks from your mother. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Help me apologize. Na, 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 na. I just wanna do.
It's the earth and the moon, right?
Giduan lang, hindi?
Ni Willard.
No, ito yung mga ko lang. Ako ang mga secrets. Get the iPad ulit.
Hilak to si Willard dun. Why did you left it there, Pangga? No, right now,
Get it, babe.
Willard is playing, and if you snatch it from him, he will cry.
So that's it.